Student, today we have start a new topic, operating system. You know very well the operating system is a system software that is act between as an interface between user and computer. Okay, it is because the computer know only the binding language, a human know the human know the English language. So there should be an interaction between machine and human. So the operating system is responsible to interact between human and computer. Now next point, that is we have a type of operating system. We have single user operating system, single user single tasking. Single user single tasking means just that means that DOS means disk operating system. Yani DOS, when you perform any tasks in DOS, when you perform the printing of 1000 document, so you can't do any other task until the all the printout completed, so that one time one task. So that's why we say that single user single tasking. Now second is Windows. Everybody familiar with the Windows. Single user multitasking. Single user multitasking means you can perform the letter writing, you can access the internet, you can singing the song, you can listening the song. So you have lots of work at a time, single task, and take the printouts. And the third is multi-user multitasking, that is Linux. Basically Linux, it is work on multi-user multitasking. Multi-user multitasking means that the lots of computers having only keyboard, monitor and mouse, and all the computers that is known as the dumb terminal having no processor, no CPU box, no CPU. All these computers are interconnected with a main server, that is the main CPU. Okay, so that is the computer having only the monitor, keyboard and mouse, that is known as the dumb terminal, and these are connected with the server, and that is the concept of the client server network. Basically the Linux is work on the software companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, they are do work on the Linux operating system. So these are the multi-user multitasking operating system. Now next point, that is the language processor. Language processor means that to translate a source code to the object code. That is the definition of the language processor. Source code to the object code. Okay, source code can be anything. It is a high level language. It's like C, C++, Java, okay, COBOL, Pascal, Fortran. These are the languages. These are the source code. And machine language, that is 01. So language processor definition is that he convert your source code into the machine code. Now next point, that is assembler. Assembler, basically there are assembly, these are machine dependent assembler. All the languages are machine independent. At the time as language assembler, there are two type of processor, that is let us take a simple example, 8085 and 8086. There are two processor. So if a instruction written in 8085, in 8085 we can perform we can perform the addition of two number, multiplication of two number, we are using MUL. So this is the instruction, multiplication of two number. Now but in 8086 we can use MULX, multiplex. These are the multiply. So this means that what's going on. So if a coding you written in assembly language, coding is written in 8085, machine cannot be run on the machine having the processor 8086, because the instruction code are different. That's why we can say that assembly language are machine dependent language. Now next is the compiler. Compilers convert the high level language into the machine language at once go. माने एक ही टाइम में वो क्या करेगा, सोर्स कोड को पूरा लेगा और उसको मशीन कोड में कन्वर्ट कर देगा एक ही बार में. बट इंटरप्रेटर में क्या होता है, जैसे कंपाइलर में बहुत सारे कंपाइलर हैं, टर्बो कंपाइलर, बोरलैंड कंपाइलर, जावा कंपाइलर, और जो हम पाइथन यूज़ करेंगे वो कंपाइलर है, दैट इज़ यूज़ द इंटरप्रेटर. सो इंटरप्रेटर मीन्स दैट इट कन्वर्ट one line source of code in the machine code, again read the one second source line of code, and then convert in the second machine code. It means that line by line. So in interpreter, it basically use the line by line program, read the line by line and convert in the machine code. So execution is going very slow in the comparison compiler. So that is the concept of assembler, interpreter and compiler. Okay, thank you very much.